Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori. First off, I just want to welcome a whole bunch of you that are probably new. I have been forgetting to say welcome, welcome, welcome. I have noticed that the number's been going up lately, so I just want to let you know that I welcome you here. I hope you have a really good time, and please remember that when you're watching a sassy video, it is me, it is my alter ego, and it's basically just like, it's just a comedy. That's all it really is. So don't take it serious. Sit down, enjoy her comedic personality, because it is part of me. So, and there are several other ones. When I look this direction or I look over there, there's nothing there. And who am I talking to? I find a focal point on the wall. So I'm not crazy, and no, this is not Sybil. All right, you guys, we got to dip into this BOXYCHARM here. This is the base box for March 2022. I know, I heard her. She gets pissed off when I say the year. So anyway, BOXYCHARM is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. This one here is the base. There are 3 tiers. This one, then the next one is premium. The next one is an upgrade to this. Technically, it's 3 tiers, but you know what I mean? You don't get this one. You get the other one. Base, premium, and luxe. So you know, it really is not 3 tiers. No, I guess it is. Okay, never mind. If I think too much, I'm going to get a headache. And I already am. Sassy's like just crazy right now. She wants out. She wants to party. She's, you know, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Getting all the words wrong. You know, no parking, baby. She's been listening to everything and anything from my favorite videos while I was getting ready. And it's all dance music. So I'm sitting there trying to put on my eyeshadow, and she's just rocking out. So anyhow, what is my variation? Let's get into this darn box. Make this video shorter. Okay, my variation on this one is 011, you guys. You do get a card inside your box this month. It's Game Changers, celebrating Game Changers and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month. So that's actually pretty cool. And by the way, it doesn't say Happy Splat. When I first saw it in the store, I thought the exact same thing. It says Happy St. Pat. So it's St. Pat, not Splat. I thought it was Splat. I was like, what the hell are they trying to say? So I don't know, maybe the way or where you're going to end up at the end of the night on the floor. On the other side of the card is a list of everything that came inside your box, along with the retail price if you went and bought it in the store. All right, so let's get going here. What do we have? And I did look this stuff over. No, it's okay. I don't remember making a choice, and I did actually for next month. I just said, you know what, choose for me. My boxes seem to be, they seem better if I let them choose. So, all right, where is the Rare Beauty? I got the same thing as her, so I'm not going to open it up because her video is going to air before mine. This is the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. I don't think there were different colors to this, so it's $26. And then I think this is Atwa. Number 3, this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. This is the number 3, 8-in-1 plus CBD, multi-purpose, nutrient mist, and styling aid. And this one here comes in at $30. You know, I have the bottles that I do have. I only have one that's just a little bit bigger. And I keep forgetting because it's in the hallway closet. And everything that I use for my hair is in our spare bathroom that's over here. Just because it helps my husband and I. I mean, our bathroom's huge. It's huge. But I bring a lot of stuff and I put it over here. As soon as we didn't have the house being used, especially my room, by a guest for, you know, long periods of time, I take over that bathroom, and it's like, oh yes, you get to have your own little space. So anyway, I know I'm just wasting some time here. I'm sorry, you guys. I can tend to squirrel. Don't forget, I do come back. All right, the next one is called Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. What the hell is this? Oh, the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. This made no sense to me, you guys. 0 cents. All right. Has a sponge and has a how-to, like, no, I mean, I guess there are people that don't know how to use a makeup sponge, blending sponge. And then there is a brush inside. So, and I did look at the brush and I thought, you know, travel, I think I'll take mine with me. It won't be this. This is going in a giveaway. I can tell you guys that already. I mean, it's cute. My nails look disgusting right now because they're getting ready. I'm going to put a new set on when we're done recording. This is, you know, like your foundation and such and what. But, I mean, I don't want to touch it too much because this is going to go to somebody. But, I don't know, you guys. This just didn't make any sense to me. Quick beat versus mini base. Okay. Sure. They're charging $30 for that duo. I don't know. What do you think? Is it a little bit too much? I mean, give me your thoughts on that, because honestly, $30, that's 15 bucks a piece. 15 bucks for a blending sponge, $15 for a brush that started out this big and shrunk down. So, I don't know. And then we have Frank Body, you know, the guy that's out here watching Sassy's show. Yeah. Frank Body, brightening vitamin C mask. For babes who bite the forbidden fruit, then mask with it. So this is going to be kind of fun. I think she's going to have a blast with this in one of her masks Monday. We don't need two unless it works. So I'll probably keep it. I put it in another area of my room once we try it. If it's not something that's going to work for me, doesn't mean it's bad. Remember what I always say. It doesn't mean it's bad. It just means it's not responding. My skin is not responding to it. So it might respond to somebody else's. But I'll go ahead and pull it out and say, hey, listen, you know what? Giveaway. But if it works, oh, by damn, it goes in inventory to keep. All right. And then the last one is Aceology. And this is the overnight. Oh, I forgot to tell you that's $19.95. The Aceology overnight lip mask. I need this because my lips have been horrible lately. And it's like at night, they get dry from the cold air because we leave the windows open. I can't stand a stuffy room. So, and I put stuff on my lips, you guys. I do, you know, because I mask and I do everything else that sassy, nasty, sassy, or whatever the heck, you know. She's loud in here. And she wants to do my face. And okay. I let her do the skincare. And then, you know, it's time for bed. Anyway, this is an overnight lip matte. This is going to be fantastic. I'm telling you right now. For $19, heck yeah. It's not bad. It's a little tiny tube. Does it have a flavor? Use weekly for optimal results. Apply a generous amount to your lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with a damp cotton pad to remove. You know what's kind of funny is I can actually see through these glasses. I have contacts on, but we can, because there's no lenses. It's just, you know, and it's kind of funny. Almost seems like you got glasses. But, and to be honest with you, I have no idea why the heck I left these glasses on to do the whole video. Well, we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day, and so I'm putting up both these base boxes. So whatever, get over it. Now I just need some corned beef and cabbage with some potatoes. And oh my God, I got to talk to the husband now. Excuse me, honey, are we having corned beef and cabbage on Thursday? Tomorrow. God, I hope so. You guys, the guy can cook. The husband can cook. And he cooks good. He loves to cook. He loves to cook. I'm a great cook, by the way, in case you're wondering. Is it because you don't cook, Lori? Is it because you don't know how? No. Oh, no, I'm an excellent cook. As a matter of fact, some of the dishes that he makes, and now he's, over the years, he's, you know, changed the recipe a little bit. I'm an excellent cook. So I just don't have to when you have somebody that likes doing it as a hobby. And it's just us, you know, we're empty nesters. So that's it, you guys. Don't forget, I will have the total right there. And I got nothing else. It's a game changer, I guess. So which box did you guys like better? Not that it matters, but did you like Sassy's better than mine, or did you like mine better than Sassy's? I know she got the LUXE bag. Oh, dear Lord. She's got me saying it. I know she got the LUXE floral brush set. And I really did not know we were getting it, you know, when I ordered it. I ordered it because I like their brushes, and I have a ton of them. Anyway, we're getting off track. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Thank you so much for sitting down with me and going through my BOXYCHARM for March. I'm not going to say it. You guys take care, and wherever you are in this world, I hope you have a wonderful St. Patty's Day. If you celebrate, if you don't, then we just look like idiots. So it's, I don't know, maybe it's an American thing. We just do dumb stuff over here. Whatever the case may be, you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I heard somebody ask, just a sec. Somebody said, take your glasses off so we can see your makeup. All right, I'll do it real quick. I think you're white just fine, babe. But your mind works in a different way. That's it. Take care. Bye. Far from my